how to add two binary numbers. In today's class, we'll see how to subtract binary numbers. Subtraction of binary numbers. So in order to subtract the binary numbers, you have two methods. The first one is ones complement method. And the second one is twos complement method. So before going to this method, let us try to find out how to find the ones complement of the number and also the twos complement of the number. So let me consider I have a binary number. Let the binary number be number is 10110. Okay, so this is a given binary number. If you want to find ones complement of this number, then what you need to do is you need to do one small modification. What is that modification? If you have a 0, you replace it with 1. If you have a 1, you replace it with 0. So here if you just check the number, this is a given binary number. If you check here you have 1, that should be converted to 0. So 1 should be written as 0, 0, 1. 1 is here, so 0. 1 is here, so 0. 0 is here, so 1. So this is nothing but the ones complement of given number. Okay. Now if you want to find twos complement of any given number, then what you need to do is first find ones complement of the number and add a 1 to it. So this is how, if you just first take the ones complement of given number, and when you add 1 to it, you will get the twos complement of given number. Okay, so as an example, let me take the given number is 0101. Okay, so this is a given number. Now I need to find twos complement of this number. So in order to find twos complement, we know the procedure. First I need to find ones complement of given number. What is the ones complement of given number? Here you have a 0, so 1. 1 you have, so 0. 0 in you have, so 1. 1 you have, so 0. So this is the ones complement of given number. To get twos complement, what I need to do? I need to add an additional 1 to the last bit. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. Nothing is there, it implies it is 0. So 1 plus 0, it is 1 again. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 1 plus 0, it is 1 again. So this is nothing but the twos complement of given number. So this is how we generally find the twos complement of given number. Okay, so let me take another example. Let the given number be, given number is 101.11. So here it is having the integer part as well as the fraction part. So if it is like this, again we can find the ones complement. Finding ones complement is so simple. Just you need to replace 1 with 0 and 0 with 1. So here you have 1, so that I will replace it with 0. Here you have 0, that I will replace it with 1. Here I have 1, that I will replace it with 0. Point. Here I have 1, I will replace it with 0. Here I have 1, I will replace it with 0. To get twos complement, what I need to do? I need to add plus 1 to the last bit. Okay, it is not here. You need to add plus 1. It is to the last position. So what is the last position? This is the last position for the given number. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. So rest all here all it will be equal to 0 only because nothing is there. So 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0, it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0. So this is nothing but the twos complement of given number. Okay. So now what we'll do? We'll go with the method. To calculate ones complement of of subtraction using ones complement. So now what we'll do, we'll go with the next topic where we'll be subtraction of binary numbers using ones complement. This is the first method which we have. Now what we'll do, we'll see how to subtract two binary numbers using ones complement. So in order to do this, we have some steps to follow. Okay, so step 1, first you need to check whether the given numbers are in binary form or not. If not, convert it to binary numbers. So this is the first step that you need to follow. Step 2, what you need to do is you need to identify which is the minuend and subtrahend. Identify minuend and subtrahend. So if you are writing A minus B, okay, so this is said to be the minuend and this is said to be the subtrahend. Whatever you are getting output, that is nothing but the difference. So here I'll give you one small tip to just remember MSD, MS Dhoni. Okay, so minuend, subtrahend and difference. So this is what the second step. You need to identify which is a minuend and which is a subtrahend. Okay, now coming to the step 3. Step 3, what you need to do, find the ones complement of subtrahend. So you need to find ones complement of this subtrahend. Okay, so that is what here third step. Okay, here we are finding the ones complement because this is the ones complement method. So since it is ones complement method, you need to find the ones complement of subtrahend. Step 4. In step 4, once you get the ones complement of the subtrahend, add the ones complement of subtrahend to minuend. So once you get the ones complement of the subtrahend, you need to add that to minuend. Step 5. Once you add this minuend and the ones complement of subtrahend, whatever result you are getting, if the result have a carry, if there is a carry in step 4, that indicates the result is positive. The result is positive. So since the result is positive, then what you need to do? Add the carry to the obtained result in step 4. Okay, so step 6. Here I have just explained if there is a carry. Let me assume that if there is no carry, carry in step 4. Okay, if there is no carry, though no carry indicates it is a 0 in the carry place. Here the carry indicates it is a 1 in the carry place. Okay, I'll explain you with one example. So if there is no carry in step 4, then that indicates the result is negative. So since in step 4, whatever result you are getting, okay, in that result, if the carry value is 0, it indicates no carry, then what you need to do? The result is negative, then what you need to do? You need to take 1's complement of the result obtained in step 4 and place a negative sign before the result. So these are the 6 steps that you need to follow in order to subtract two binary numbers using 1's complement. So let us take one example and see how you can subtract this. Okay, let me take the example as 12 base 10 minus 5 base 10. So here, and this too you need to subtract using 1's complement method. So now we'll start following the steps. So first, initially he has given 12 base 10 minus 5 base 10. So if you just observe, the given question is not in the binary form, it is in the decimal form. So what you need to do, according to the first step, if it is not in the binary form, you need to convert it to binary form. So 12, okay, as you know, 12 binary equivalent is nothing but 1100 base 2 minus 5. 5 is nothing but 101 base 2. 101 base 2 is nothing but it is the equivalent of decimal equivalent of this binary number 5. 101 is a binary equivalent of this decimal number 5. So here what you need to do, you need to follow the steps now. And one more thing here, what you need to check is, if you observe the number of bits in this first minuend, so this is nothing but your minuend and this is nothing but your subtrahend. So here if you just observe, here I have got 4 bits, but here I just have 3 bits. So always what you need to do, you need to make the number of bits equal. So here since I have 4, here what I need to do, I need to make it 4 bits. So I cannot append a 0 here, it is wrong because it will change the meaning. So what I'll do, I'll append a 0 before 101, so that in the minuend and in the subtrahend, I'll have equal number of bits. Okay. Now this is the second step where I have identified the minuend and the subtrahend. So third step, I need to take 1's complement of subtrahend. So as you know, 1's complement is nothing but, if you wherever you have 0, you need to replace it with 1, and wherever you have 1, you need to replace it with 0. So 0 you have, so 1 0 1 0. So this is a 1's complement of subtrahend. Now what I need to do, I need to add this 1's complement of subtrahend to minuend. So what is your minuend? The minuend you have is 1100, and 1's complement of subtrahend is 0 1 0. Now what I need to do, I need to add these two. So 0 plus 1, we already know how to add two binary bits. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 1 plus 1, it is 1 0. 1 is a carry, I'll write here. 0 is the sum, I'll write here. So 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 0 plus 0, it is 1 0. So 0 I'll write here and 1 I'll write here. So I was saying that carry, right? So this, the last bit, this is nothing but the MSB bit and this is the LSB bit. Most significant bit, least significant bit. So MSB bit value here is 1. So since this is 1, it indicates that there is a carry. Carry is present. Okay, so this indicates that there is a carry. Okay, so since there is a carry, the result is nothing but here what you need to do, you need to add this one, the carry, to the last bit. Okay, so add carry to last bit. Okay, so what is the last bit here? So this carry I need to add here to the last bit. So here I need to add. Okay. So since carry is present, what I did, I have added the carry to the last bit. So 1 1, it is 1 0. I'm adding it. Okay, so 1 1, 1 0, 1 here and 0 here. 0 1, it is 1 1, 1 0. 0 plus 1, it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 0, it is 0. So 0 0 1 0 is the answer.